How to use Chrome profiles to separate work and personal accounts. Hi everyone, welcome to the video, and today we'll discuss how to use Chrome profiles to separate work and personal accounts. Now if you want to create profiles in Google Chrome to separate your work and personal accounts, I'm here to help. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be good to go. First, open the Chrome browser from your PC or laptop. When you do it, notice at the top right you will see a person-like icon in here. Now when you click it, you'll see different options. At the bottom you'll see add new profile and manage Chrome profiles. Now if you have already added your profile, you can access it from manage Chrome profiles, but if you want to add new profile, just click on add new profile, and in here you'll see two options: sign in and continue without an account. If you want to sign into your Google account, just click on sign in. If you don't want to do it and just want to create a new profile in Google Chrome, you can continue without an account. Click on continue without an account. Now in here you have a new Chrome setup. You can name this profile. You can select the theme from here, and when you are done, just click on done and your new profile is set up. So that's all for the video, guys. I hope this video will help you. If you guys have any further questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll meet you next video. Thank you and bye bye.